Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve email with the error code 0x800C0005 in Windows computer. So this error 0x800C0005, it blocks communications because it doesn't allow synchronizing respected email accounts properly. And the main reasons for these errors are wrong setup or configurations within the email settings, incorrectly specified SMTP or IMAP address, and incorrect port numbers and authentications error. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to adjust SSL/TLS settings. So all you have to do is to open up on the search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung internet option. Ayan, so makikita mo kaagad dito yung internet options. And then click mo lang dito yung open. And once na-open mo na tong internet properties, so dito lang sa taas ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung advanced tab. So click mo lang yan. And dito sa advanced tab settings, and then scroll down lang tayo. And then dito lang sa use SSL 3.0 and use TLS 1.0, 1.1, 1.2, and 1.3. So kailangan natin itong i-modify. So kailangan mo lang i-check dito yung use SSL 3.0, dapat naka-check yan. And the next step ay dito sa use TLS 1.2 and 1.3, dapat naka-check yan. And dito sa use TLS 1.0, naka-uncheck yan. And then dito sa use TLS 1.1 ay naka-uncheck. Okay? So once nagawa mo na dito, na-modify mo na, and then click mo lang dito yung apply, and click mo lang dito yung okay. Alright, and the next solution na pwede natin gawin is to repair corrupted system files. All you have to do is to open up on the search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt, and kailangan mo lang mag-right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and itap mo lang dito yung yes. And once na-open mo na tong administrator command prompt, ang next step ay kailangan lang natin i-enter dito yung command keyword na dsm /online /cleanup-image /restore health. So copy lang natin yan, gamitin mo yung keyboard shortcut na Ctrl+C para makopy yan, and then ipipaste natin dito, and then gamitin mo yung keyboard shortcut na Ctrl+B and deploy image and servicings and management tool. So dito ay kailangan lang hintay na makomplete ang verifications into 100%. And the restore operations completed successfully. And the next command keyword na kailangan natin enter ay type mo lang dito yung command keyword na sfc /scan now. So in all small letter lahat, hindi yung /scan now, that is one word, and press mo lang yung enter. And beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan, so dito ay kailangan lang hintay na makomplete ang verifications into 100%. And finally, verifications 100% complete. And then close lang natin tong CMD at dito lang sa start menu, and kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix email with the error code 0x800C0005 in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.